Xiamen Dexing Magnet Technology Company Limited is a research and development enterprise specializing in magnetic research, magnetic application technology development. The main products are Gauss meter, flux meter, electromagnet, Helmholtz coil, magnetizer, Hall effect system, vibrating sample magnetometer, magnetic material testing system, magnetic materials and components, including permanent magnets, flexible magnets and magnet production machinery, door gasket and door gasket machine, sintered ferrite magnets, sintered ND FEB magnets, SMCO magnets, Ali NCO magnets, FECRCO magnet, flexible rubber magnets, vacuum instruments including vacuum arc remelting furnace, induced heating furnace, vacuum melt spinner, etc. At present, it has established cooperative relations with many universities and institutions and famous companies at home and abroad, such as Shandong University, Wuhan University, China Institute of Metrology, Institute of Semiconductors, Chinese Academy of Sciences, Zhejiang University, Hong Kong, China University, Singapore Institute of Technology, California Institute of Technology, Columbia University, Nanyang Technological University, University of Florida, Boston College, University of Bath, University of Hull, University of Leeds, University of York, SKF, TE Connectivity Corporation, and TPC Limited, Texas Instruments, Applied Materials, Yangtze Memory Technologies Company, etc. Xiamen Dexing Magnet Technology Company Limited are widely recognized and praised by international counterparts because of its professional solutions and service. It has long-term business cooperation relationship with international universities and global scientific researchers with its profound academic foundation, advanced design capabilities, excellent product quality, good corporate qualifications, and excellent after-sales service.